In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable way to record how long tasks take using Airtable's built-in duration field so your team can log time consistently and summarize it with confidence. Start by heading to airtable.com and opening the base and table where you want to track time. We'll add a new column specifically for time entries. Look for the plus sign at the far right of your table's fields and click it to create a new field. This opens the field setup panel where we'll tailor the column to handle time perfectly. Give your field a clear name by typing duration. Keeping the name straightforward makes it obvious for everyone what should be entered here. Next, set the field type to duration if it isn't already selected. Duration fields understand hours, minutes, and seconds and display them consistently, which is ideal for time tracking. Now, choose the precision. Precision controls how detailed your time entries can be. If you only need hours and minutes, choose a minutes level precision to keep things simple. If your work requires tighter tracking, select a seconds level precision so you can log shorter tasks accurately. Then choose the duration format. This determines how the time will look in the table, such as hours and minutes or hours, minutes, and seconds. Pick the display that matches how your team thinks about time. A consistent format helps prevent confusion and keeps reports tidy. Click on Default if you want to set a starting value for new records. This is helpful if many tasks take the same amount of time, but you can leave it blank if entries vary widely. Next, click on Add Description and write a brief note that explains how to enter time, for example, whether to use estimates or actuals. This small hint goes a long way towards standardizing data. When everything looks good, click on Create to add the field to your table. You'll see the new duration column appear. Click on it to highlight the first empty cell and try entering a time value. Airtable will format it automatically based on the precision and format you picked. From here, you can start logging time on each record. As you add entries, the summary bar at the bottom of the column can total your durations, giving you a quick snapshot of total time spent. That's all it takes to set up dependable time tracking in Airtable with a duration field that's clear, consistent, and easy for everyone to use.